स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। इस माला को परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य धारण कर सकता है। इसे धारण करने के कोई परहेज नहीं है, बल्कि इसे धारण करके भोलेनाथ का आशीर्वाद हम सबको मिलेगा। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Shrimali. I hope that you all are safe and taking all the precautionary measures. Today in this video I will be tell you about the effect of Mercury transit. But firstly, let me tell you more about Mercury. According to Vedic astrology, Mercury is the messenger of gods. Mercury is also the closest planet to the sun. Mercury represents intelligence, wit, and humor in a person. People with strong Mercury have excellent reasoning and analyzing abilities. Body parts that are influenced by Mercury are the arms, ear, lungs, nervous system, skin also. It represents field related to banking, finance, trade, accounts, or computer, etc. Transition of Mercury in Taurus will occur between 3rd of June to 7th of July. Let's start the way of prediction, which will give you idea about what can happen with you in future. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. Startup businesses will get funding and support from investors. You can expand your work area in business. You will perform well at your workplace because of your intelligence and wisdom. Support of your siblings may help you carry out your work easily. The love and affection among family will continue to grow. Talking with your spouse or partner will resolve all the differences. You may be troubled with skin related disease, so you are advised to keep good care of your health. Now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. Your wise planning in business will give you the opportunity to earn profit. You can change your job and this will rise your chances of getting high package. Your family will support you, due to which you will move ahead in life. Communication between you and your partner will increase, because of which all issues will be resolved. You will succeed in education with hard work and dedication. You should avoid public transport. Even if you have to go, then take all the precautions. Now let's move to Twins, that is Gemini. The graph of success in business will go high. Keep up your good work to avoid downfall at the workplace. Social and religious activities will get you good results. Some monetary gains will help you in making plans for your family. You may face health related challenges, so keep an eye on your eating habits. Students will see rise in performance. Now let's move to Crab, that is Cancer. You will be financially strong and you can also try experimenting new things in business and at your workplace. You may be confused on how to start new things. Take time and do research and then start new work. You may face some issues with your partner, but discuss it out and resolve them. Do yoga and meditation to avoid emotional and mental fluctuations. Students are likely to attain good results in exams by staying focused on their goal. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. You can start new outlet of your business for earning more profit. You may face some challenges at your workplace, but your dedication will help you get through that. Good communication will ensure wellness among family members and partner. You can transform your career with your intelligent planning. You may address some difficulties in your love life if you don't pay attention to little things. Students, players, and artists are advised to work hard with smartness. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. Online reselling, food and goods, medical, outsourcing related business will see good profit margin. You might get support from your colleagues and boss as well. Follow good dietary habits to stay fit and healthy. Take advice from senior members of your family on money related issues to avoid overspending. Be polite to avoid arguments with family members or life partner. It is a good time for students and as their hard work might pay off. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Your business can reach to new heights. You need to pay more attention on your expenses. There are chances that your reputation gets enhanced at the work front because of your dedication. Your simple and little efforts will help you enhance your earnings. Spending time with friends and family will improve your relations. There are chances of throat infection or cough issues, so eat accordingly. Students are likely to get good support from friends and mentors. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Business persons may face some difficulties, so should take advice from a senior member. Pay more attention to your loved ones. Be cool headed and avoid hot discussions with family members and life partner. Meditation is advised to maintain good emotional and mental health. With respect to education, students will be more focused. Personal and professional trip is expected. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. Your business can get great brand value, which will increase your revenue. Your good performance may affect your superiors and you may get a promotion. Be patient in your personal life as you may not get the desired cooperation from your partner. It's advisable not to carry work pressure from the office to home. This will avoid unnecessary debate. You are advised to be more cautious while traveling. Students are advised to be strong while avoid mental worries and stay focused on studies. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. You are advised to be more thoughtful while dealing with money is business. Otherwise, you may face problem. You may face some disturbance in your financial budget due to improper planning. There are chances of gastric and cough related issues, so take proper medication and rest. To avoid misunderstanding in family, keep discussing important issues. Because of students' dedication and determination, they will get good results. Now let's move to water, that is Aquarius. Business persons will get a rise in revenue, which will boost your confidence. Pay special attention to your health, as you may suffer from skin and nervous system problem. Avoid traveling to minimize your expenses. You will have very good terms with your family and friends, and their support is expected. Students who are preparing for competitive or entrance exams need to focus more. Now let's move to Fish, that is Pisces. You may receive appreciation at the workplace for your good work. Profit in terms of money may enable you to fulfill your old desires. You can also expect good support from family members or love partner. Undergo routine checkups to avoid any health related issues. Support of friends may solve all issues related to studies. Personal or professional trip is expected. Dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies which can bring a smile on your face and give auspicious results. You should wear copper coin in a white thread or silver chain. Keep an iron ball with you for auspicious result of Mercury. Look at your face in oil. Then ask God to take bad things out of you and then donate it. So friends, it was my analysis for Mercury transit. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on the given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahokakhel.co.in. At the end, all I want to say is Mercury will give you strength. Your stars will show rise. Your luck will support you. Just need your constant effort. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.